Hey, what's up? It's Triggy. Today we're going to be making the Steampunk 2-liter soda dispenser. Liquid is going to be gravity fed from a 2-liter bottle inside of this housing, which then exits through the spigot on this steam tank. Let's start by making the steam tank dispenser. The body of this is going to be made out of vent tubing. I got a 6-inch diameter piece and 2 end caps. We'll want some extraneous brass tubing to add to the steampunk vibe. We'll make that out of painted PVC pipe. These won't have any function, so here I'm just deciding what arrangement looks best. I'll drill holes for the PVC in the vent tubing. To hold the PVC in place, we'll just secure them with some end caps on the inside of the vent. Now that the layout is decided, I'll start attaching the PVC together with some PVC cement. Then I'll paint everything in a metallic brass paint. Now we can secure the PVC in place. The functional part of this drink dispenser will be this tube, which connects a 2-liter bottle attachment to the spigot. This is food-grade nylon tubing, and honestly, making sure everything was food-grade turned out to be the biggest hurdle in this design. I 3D printed the 2-liter bottle attachment out of ABS, a food-safe plastic. And to affix the tubing to the 2-liter attachment, I'll use some food-grade silicone sealer. Then I'll feed the tube into the steam tank and attach it to the spigot the same way. Now that that's done, I'll add a coat of varnish. This may have actually made the metal look a bit plasticky, so I might recommend against this. While that dries, we can start making the housing for the 2-liter bottle. I'll cut some plywood down at a 45-degree angle and cut a few squares. I'll glue 3 sides of the box in place, and then add one of the squares as a lid. Then the 4th wall is attached with a hinge. To hold the bottle in place, I'll drill a hole in another square that holds the nozzle of the bottle. I didn't film this part, but I painted the box black and added a bit of scrap PVC so it looks like the whole system is connected to the pipes in the wall or something. You could get really creative with this, and maybe with 2 or 3 of these you could pipe them all together, but I'm just going to stick with this for now. And now we're basically done. The most obvious use for this would be to serve soda out of a 2-liter bottle, but keeping in line with the steampunk theme, I thought this might be perfect for some potion making. I put a small amount of vinegar and yellow food dye in one container, and a small amount of baking soda in the other with some blue food dye. I put the yellow liquid back in the vinegar bottle since it has a cool shape, and put the blue liquid into our dispenser. And now we can mix a potion. When they mix together, we get a fizzy reaction and a new color. You can probably drink this stuff. I'm pretty sure it just becomes salt water. And it's suddenly carbonated, which is also cool. That's all for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.